starting our first Southern California trip of the year. We have so much fun stuff planned, but today I'm just gonna jump right in and we are going to go to South Coast Mall, and then we have reservations for a fancy dinner at Mastro's. Very overcast today, so perfect day for a mall day rather than walking around outside. Someday I'll get really nice knives and I'll get a Le Creuset and I'll get a really nice pot set like the ones that are over there. We have an hour until dinner, so we're at mall number 2. This is Fashion Island. Dinner, and then we are walking to a little lookout to look at the beach. This is Crystal Cove State Park. It's so pretty. We come here almost every time we come down to Southern California. Give you a haul of what I got at the 2 malls that we went to, because I kind of just spent through that. Okay, let me show you what I got at the store. Noah and I went to the Vans store in Utah and they didn't have my size in the shoe that I wanted, so I ordered them online, and Vans canceled my order because they didn't have my size. And then went to the Vans in California and they got them. So cute. And then Noah got them that are like opposites. Let me just show you actually. So these ones are Noah's and then these ones are mine. So cute, so exciting. And then I got this hat from Brixton and I can't put it on right now because my hair's in pigtails, but very cute. Noah almost bought it, but he didn't like how it fit his head. I have a smaller head, so I thought it would work. Hello, it's a new day. I'm wearing my hat that I bought yesterday. We are about to head out on our daily adventure. Today we are going to a lavender farm. They do lavender days. It's a cute little lavender festival. I'm gonna take you along with me. I think they have like tractor rides, fun snacks, and lavender treats. So it should be really cute and really fun. Look at our matching shoes.
What have you got going on?
Different cardigans. So cute of us. We never do matching things. That's probably the first time we've matched in our entire relationship. Sad because that chocolate lavender ice cream was like the best thing I've ever eaten, and I don't know where I'll ever be able to find it again. They also have the cutest logo I've ever seen.
That's where it is.
100 years old, making it Riverside County's first landmark.
Hello once again. We are heading out on a fun outing. We're headed to the Dodgers game, if you can't tell by our merch. Yeah, heading there now. This is Noah's very late birthday present. I told him he could get a pair of shoes or he could get Dodgers tickets of equal value. So he chose Dodger tickets, so we're finally cashing those in.
Like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want.
Got my nachos. Noah already ate a hot dog. And then of course our soda. There we go. Honestly, just here for the vibes and the snacks, and I got my soft serve, so you know, vibes and snacks fulfilled.
Number 23, Jason.
What do you think of that game?
Very good game.
Good morning, it's the start of another day and we are headed to Disneyland. It's gonna be a crazy day today.
Don't even try to fight it.
Main Street and French Quarter are definitely the best parts of Disneyland in my opinion. Starting off the day, we need to get beignets and mint juleps. Mint juleps are like my favorite thing that they have here. So, stop number one. When I said that this day was going to be crazy, I really did mean that it was going to be crazy. We really did spend the whole day running around. My footage is kind of choppy. We went on Pirates of the Caribbean and Matterhorn, and now we're stopping for churros, and then we're going on what ride?
Indiana Jones.
Indiana Jones.
We'll take that as a no. You can.
Star Destroyer that is now headed to the...
There's nowhere to run.
Did Indiana and Rise of the Resistance.
Yeah.
And then stopped for lunch at Tortilla Joe's, had some tacos. Now we're headed to California Adventure. I think we're gonna do Soarin', Guardians of the Galaxy, all the good ones. Within California Adventure, we were able to go to Soarin', Guardians of the Galaxy, Radiator Spring Racers, Incredicoaster, as well as stop for Ghirardelli Shakes. If you are going, a Genie Pass is a must, even though it's a little bit extra. It's the only way that you're going to get the full experience of all the rides without waiting in super long lines. They have Guardians of the Galaxy different for Halloween. How did you like that version?
That was fun.
That's definitely the best ride, I think. Always have to stop for the Ghirardelli. It's been a very packed day. A shake is needed. We went right into chillin' for dinner. We are in, it's called the Grand Californian, right? The hotel that's attached to California Adventure. And it's so cute, it's Craftsman style. I'm a little stuffed. I need some time for my stomach to settle, so I think I'm just gonna get a mocktail, but Noah's gonna get a poke bowl.
Pizza too. Yeah, pizza.
Keely loves the movie Big Hero 6, and the character Baymax saw that they had little stuffed animal Baymaxes. FaceTimed her to see if she would want it, and she was hyped. So, the cutest little stuffed animal in here. Are you kidding? He's so cute. You can't really see. I'll show you later. Now we're rushing across California Adventure to make it back to Disneyland to go to Big Thunder Railroad, where we have a fast pass that's going to expire in like 20 minutes. Finishing the day with a cream cheese pretzel and marching our way out of the park. Woke up feeling just super exhausted, just because with Disneyland yesterday and then just this whole month being so insane, I'm just like overwhelmed. So I'm taking things slow today. We're gonna go head down to Laguna Beach, wander around, have a nice California beach day. It is pretty gloomy outside. It's like a high of 70 all day, but honestly, I think it'll be really nice and chill. I don't have to worry about the heat. I don't really have to worry about the cold, so it should be really nice. Just walking around, perusing the shops at Laguna. They have a lot of cute surf shops and not so much tourist style, which is fun. I love the shops at California beaches. East Coast beaches just don't compare in that way. Yeah, it's a very nice, chill day. It's like the perfect weather to be here, so just soaking it up. Another day, another adventure. Where are we headed today, Noah?
Olvera Street.
Gonna get some fire food. Olvera Street was established in 1858, making it one of the oldest streets in LA and is home to LA's oldest home, the Avila Adobe, which was built in 1818. However, it wasn't made into what it is now until Christine Sterling came around in 1926 and decided to remake it into a tourist attraction showcasing Mexican culture. It really is just a fun touristy thing to do and is one of LA's biggest tourist attractions. So we just walked down Olvera Street, got some taquitos with almond with avocado sauce. It was very good. Now we're making our way back up. What are we gonna do now?
Go to Sunset Boulevard.
Yeah, I've never been to Sunset. Been to LA, but never that part. So just experiencing LA today. It's very hard to convince Noah's family to go to LA. So once we're here, we have to convince them to do everything. Finishing off our day in Pasadena. I love Pasadena. This is one place I would consider living in. Gonna get my sushi and enjoy the vibes. Look how cute it is back there. Got myself a shirt, a Nike, and now we're headed to dinner. Hello, today we made it down to Balboa. We're just gonna enjoy a little beach day, maybe rent a Duffy boat, take it out on the water. Should be a nice way to spend the day. With the Duffy boats, and now we are at Newport Beach. Just gonna take a walk and then we'll end up getting dinner at some point.